Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get custom skins in Minecraft Education Edition. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is first of all go to the first link in the description, which is going to send you to Minecraft skin decks. This is the website where you can find many different skins or you can make one yourself by using the editor. So I'm just going to grab any skin that I would like, for example this one. And then once I'm here, I'm going to just click on download. And this is now going to download it on my desktop, so right here, and I'm going to name it for my skin, for example. Once you save it, you can see my skin right here. Then you're going to go to the second website, which is called this custom skin pack for Minecraft Education Edition. Then from here, you're going to just name your skin. So for example, just name again my skin, and then skin name, you're just going to go skin name pack or anything you would like. And for the version number, make sure to verify that it's the same version number as your Minecraft Education, which is going to be this one, so 1.21.123. And then from here, once you go to the image upload, just choose the file that you have just downloaded, locate it, and it's going to be right here. Click on open, and then you're going to download the pack. Then from here, just going to download anywhere. And as you can see, now it has downloaded, so just double click on it. Then it's going to open in Minecraft Education Edition, import started, and then from here successfully imported skin name pack. So all you have to do is to go to your hanger right here. Then from here, going to scroll all the way down until you see the skin name pack that we have downloaded. Going to click on it, confirm, and then from here now we can now switch to it, and now we have the skin. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.